So if you're looking for a portable lift chair for the bathtub, living room, hallway, portable to take with you anywhere imaginable on the go, weighs at 35 pounds up to 550-pound capacity, a chairlift battery operated. We're going to show you what this chair is about and how to assemble. It is an easy to build chair wherever you need to have. Lift up and off you go. Wishcans, 500+ pound capacity, weighs about 35 pounds. Some assembly will be required because it's nicely packaged. Comes in two colors, a dark color and an orange color. And here we have is the orange one. Motorized, power lift for the floor, bathroom, and more. You're given right angle Allen keys, bolts, washers, wheels, arms need to be assembled with the power supply plugs in and the controller. Lift up your unit, unbuckle, lay back down, and lift up. The assembly of the armrest is the large bolt with the lock washer inside pushing through, placing on the nylon washer with the handle on the outside, the orange, the bar on the inside facing in the up position. You're going to place on and lock down. You're going to screw on and lock with the right angle Allen key. The bolt with the lock and washer through the hole from the inside with the washer facing up and into the slotted hole, lock down. With the short end, place on and secure down. The arm should go movable with some force. Over here, there are 4 bolts with the small Allen key. Take off. You have wheels that are going to go in its place and back on. With the long bolt, place back into the hole and start to lock down. And you're going to repeat for the opposite side the same way. Place on the wheel either way. Place back into the holes. Some spare screws in case needed. The next step is the controller. We have a cover, the module. Going to open up the cover, snap open, match pin for pin by the notch, secure down, seat solid, and lock down into place. Do not forget to cut the tie wrap so you can take the additional cable and use it for a length. We're going to take our unit and fold up. Simply fold down and rotate to the side for our demonstrations. This is the controller, and you're wondering where this goes. It does not plug into the unit, but plugs into the side of the unit, magnetic mount, and charge. Allow the unit to charge for the first time by following the instructions. You notice we have a couple of lights on. When we place on, we have a red charge indicator and the buttons. Allow the unit to charge for a couple of hours. While the unit's in charging state, nothing will work. When fully charged, pull off the charger and the lights will shut off after a number of seconds. The lights are off after 30 seconds to a minute. What we're going to be doing now is setting up our chair for demonstrations. We need to make sure this locks into the locking area. Start to sit in as it locks into place. This is the locking area. Going over the controls, the on and off, the up, the down. Press the unit to turn on, 2-3 seconds, and adjust the chair to level. As the piston starts to rise and level and lift, the unit has a digital beep. We're going to lower the unit back to its position and fold up. As the release mechanism is folding and the chair is going back to its original position, shut the machine down. This is your back storage cord. It also acts as a seat belt. What you're going to be doing now to fold your chair to make portable. The wheels do not lock. Fold up each of the arms. If the arms will come a little bit loose, and that's where you have your Allen key to tighten up at given times. You're going to take the upper arm of the back chair rest and fold down and keep the buckle to the outside. We have the controller that can clip onto the back and roll up. We're going to lift, turn our chair sideways, and bring the buckle around. We're going to buckle up and secure the strap down. Now we're able to roll our unit. The next time we're ready to use our unit, we simply unbuckle and set up. And that'll take a number of seconds to do. If we need to position our seat, we tilt back and we roll. We're going to demonstrate the chair, how it works. Let's make sure this is opened up correctly. Unbuckle. Open the chair up. Set it up. I'm going to position myself into the chair, which is waterproof. It's a foam. And we're going to sit in the chair. We're going to turn the unit on by the green button. And we're going to hit the up button to uprights. And the chair is going to lift up while holding the button. This is battery operated, the live demonstration of the chair lifting up on hydraulic, a piston in the back. This is the actual live demonstration, how long it takes to lift up. We have a seat belt so we could increase in case we need it. And it would strap in. The controls are in the off position and we simply hit the yellow. And the chair declines at a slow, smooth, steady rate. Battery operated, waterproof, DC motor. Stand clear of the sides as lowers. In case of an emergency, let go and shut off by a short press of the X button. If pressing the yellow, you need to press the green button, the on button, or short press, and continue with the yellow. You must be on the controls in order to use the machine. As we're lowering down, and if we need to move, we can simply grab the machine and we can slide back and adjust with the wheels. We're going to raise up and we're going to demonstrate in the bathroom. We're going to prepare by placing in the unit. the protective feet on the bottom and adjust. We're going to put the arm down on one side and lift the arm on the other and raise. The chair goes the height of the tub or more. Careful around the obstacles. As the chair reaches its maximum height, it will shut down. We are ready to sit in and lower to the bathtub. As we sit down and step over into the bathtub, we are lowering down the unit when the seat belt is secured. The control could be handed over personally or controlled by the person. Yellow is down. As we watch our feet on the machine, the unit is 100% waterproof, submersible. The motor stays on the top and outside of the water. We are near the bottom of the bathtub, ready for the bath. When we're ready, we lift back up and out. Handing the controls over to the person. As the chair lifts, you see the hydraulic motor in the back lifting up slowly. And out of the water. As the chair will release when down, the two nylon wheels on the bottom and unlock. We are level of the bathtub and near ready to get out when it reaches the stop point. Unbuckle, rotate, and out. The controls can be turned off automatically after a number of seconds and placed on the side or hung up anywhere you like. The machine will stop automatically, a short press. To continue, hit the up button or the green button. To continue, hit the green button to turn on, short press, and up as it rises. As the chair starts to hit its maximum height, the chair height measures 19 inches and a half. You want to try? So if you're looking for a power lift chair, assist to the bathroom inside the tub, on the floor to get up and get down, this chair may be something that you are looking for in a heavy duty household needs. Thank you for viewing.